Welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today we're going to discuss dealing with fear. So the feeling of fear, it's a real thing. And all of us in some way, shape, or form, we've experienced it. It's that feeling you get in the pit of your stomach when you just heard bad news. It's also that feeling that hits you like a ton of bricks when you feel as if there's just no more hope. So the question becomes, when the feeling of fear comes over us, how do we deal with it? Y'all, I believe that the answer is simple, and it's just this: remember the promises of God. And Isaiah chapter number 41, verse number 10, I want you to hear a promise that God makes to Israel, his chosen people. He says this: "Don't be afraid, for I am with you. Don't be discouraged, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will hold you up with my victorious right hand." Y'all, just within this simple text, there are 4 promises that God makes. He says to Israel, I'm with you, I'll strengthen you, I'll help you, and I'll hold you up. Here's the thing. The same level of commitment and love that God has for Israel is the same level of commitment and love that God has for you and I. So the next time you find yourself in a moment of fear, I want you to remember these 4 promises. God's with you. He'll strengthen you. He'll help you, and he'll hold you up. This is how you deal with fear.